Multimedia is the form of communication that combines different content forms such as text, audio, image, animation, or video into a single interactive presentation. What are benefits of multimedia in 21st century? One of the reasons why multimedia is the necessary tool in learning 21st century is the flexibility in using various media tools. Multimedia gives both teacher and student comprehensive access to educational resources that may help in understand the 21st century crisis. It sparks creativity in both educator and learner. It makes learning instant beyond the wall of the classroom. Through multimedia, students can learn more about the world without having to travel so far. It engages the students in becoming more participative in class. It improves the students' problem solving and communication skills. Multimedia content helps to vary and enhance the learning process and lead to better knowledge. Multimedia can serve to shape the social content in which literary work can be. Information and communication technologies is the broader term for information and technology, which refer to all communication technologies include the internet, wireless, network, cell phone, computer, software, middleware, video, conferencing, social networking, and other media application and service. What are benefits of ICT in 21st century? Enhance the mode of communication, cost-efficient, better teacher and learning methods, atomic solution to manual paper-based process and produce, enable economic growth by broadening the reach of technology. Knowing the importance of multimedia and ICT in 21st century, it can help us to improve our online content to be more creative and useful audience.